Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and also in a good situation of health. I am your teacher for the subject of English, Ma'am Mahnoor. So I welcome you guys in grade 6. So all of you guys are familiar with this picture of coronavirus which caused the pandemic and spread all over the world and affect so many people that we have to stay home for our protection from this virus and continue our studies. So we have these two books in our course to cover. The first one is Oxford Progressive English by Rachel Redford and the second one is Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. So first let's take a look of this book, at which units are we going to explore in our first term and rest for the second term. So let's take a look of the content list. So we will go for these units where we live now, the sea, then the school days, the natural disaster, sights and sound, and then the lions and tigers for the first term. And for the second term, we have to go with searching, advances in technologies, sports, and then the journeys. The thing I want to share with you guys is that we will go for the selective chapters from these units, as we have no enough time for these chapters to go with all due to this pandemic for the first term and the second term. We will choose the selective chapters of the particular unit. For example, we have Summers in Murray from unit 1. We will go for the reading of this text, vocabulary and plus some question answers. The next book which we have in our course is the Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. This is the novel by Charles Dickens about an orphan who has no parents and quite helpless in front of others. So you guys will enjoy this book very much as its story is very interesting. So let's take a review of this book on the back side of this book. Oliver Twist. Poor Oliver, he has no mother or father. He has no good friends. There is no one in the world to care for him. The only people he knows are thieves and they want him to be a thief like them. Now he is in great trouble. The police have caught him for stealing and he is standing in front of a judge. Oliver has done nothing wrong, but the judge does not believe him. He wants to send Oliver to prison. One kind old man thinks Oliver might be a good boy. He decides to help, and from that moment Oliver's life begins to change. Find out how Oliver tries to get away from the thieves. Read how at last he discovers the truth about himself and his family. The next is the Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was a very popular writer who lived in England in the time of Queen Victoria. Many of his stories are about children and the hard lives of poor people in those days. Oliver Twist is one of the famous and best loved. That was all for these two books, as we guys having no book for grammar, but you don't have to worry. Your teacher is here for your grammarly work. The only thing you have to do is to listen to all of the videos very carefully and stay present in all of the online classes, because this is the work you have to do for your first term. Let's talk about the notebooks you should have for your homework. You guys should have two notebooks, English A and English B. English A for Progressive English and Oliver Twist, and English B for your grammar work. You guys should know that both of the notebooks should have double line for English.